I've been meaning to share this with you about not this past Christmas, but the Christmas before. After Christmas, I purchased some candles and they were like 30 something cents a piece. I want to say they were 37 cents, but that's not the gospel. So I'm not sure, I'm not certain, but they were very cheap. And so I got about 30 of them. And I got them at Aldi's, and they were in the cutest little jars. And I thought, when I purchased them, now what am I gonna do to repurpose these? Because I love to repurpose. And I knew immediately what I was gonna do with them. And voila. And I purchased these labels at the Dollar Tree. And then I always keep my overstock up at the top. So here's a view of the whole cabinet. Now, I did have a system before that worked great. These were specimen cups. Yes, specimen cups that I ordered from Amazon, but I've had them for so long and I needed to redo this. You can see the before and after, and I am loving my glass jars as well because they hold 2 containers of spices where the specimen cups only held 1. And I love the chalk labels. Doesn't that look amazing? I'm just so happy with that. And I love the fact that I can stack them and place them all where I can see everything. With the other system, the stair step system, you kind of had to reach back and they would get knocked over. So, you know, there's a little bit of problems with that system. I don't burn candles very often in my home because I'm one of those people who's highly allergic to smells. But these were vanilla and some lighter fragrances, and I can handle that. And it took me a year to burn them. Or you can always buy mason jars, it works the same, but I just already had the candles, so I thought I'm gonna repurpose these. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. And if you're wondering how I did this, I melted the candles in the microwave, poured the extra wax that was left in the bottom in a pan. I washed these 4 times by hand and I put them in my dishwasher. And I made absolute sure there was no candle scent left.